Hey guys, today's video is going to be a makeup haul, a drugstore clearance makeup haul. I went to Walmart and was just looking around and saw that a lot of their makeup was on clearance, so I decided to pick some things up and I wanted to show you guys because I got a lot of the stuff for super cheap. Okay, so let's get the non-makeup stuff out of the way. A lot of their hair care products were also on clearance. These are from Garnier. These are the Whole Blends care creams. These are on sale for $1. Rinse out masks. This is the Moroccan Argan and Camellia oils mask, and then this one is the coconut oil and cocoa butter mask. Also from Garnier, these are on sale for $2.50 each, I believe. This is the Whole Blends Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner in coconut water and vanilla milk extracts. These smell so good. I'm obsessed with everything coconut water now, so we'll see how I like this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And then like add the vanilla. It smells amazing. And then I saw these guys. These intrigued me. So these are on sale for $1 each. These are from Botanic Bouquet. This is the dry shampoo scent stick. So it's dry shampoo in a stick. I got the rose one and the jasmine one. It says to shake packet 5 to 10 times before opening. Section thoroughly and swipe swab tip to scalp and roots with extra attention to dirty, odorous, and oily areas. I'm so anxious to try these out. Okay, on to makeup. This is from Hard Candy. This is the Ultimate All-in-One Brow Powder Kit. I got the color medium dark. This is on sale for $2.50 and I used it on my brows today and you know, I like it. It comes with the brow powder duo, a wax brush, a powder brush, soft brow wax, and a brow highlighter. Also from Hard Candy, I picked up their Glamouflage concealer. This was on sale for $2.50, I believe, but this is an amazing concealer. I got the color light. I'm wearing it today. I love it so much. It's super thick. A little bit goes a long way. If you guys have not tried this concealer, I highly recommend it because it's amazing. Okay, also from Hard Candy, this cashmere silk lip gloss in the color Buttercream. This was on sale for $2. Take it out and swatch it. So that's what it looks like. Really pretty, like peachy nude. I like it. I got this CoverGirl. Yes, CoverGirl Katy Cat Matte lipstick in the color Sphinx. This was on sale for $3, I think. And it's a really pretty nude. If I can open it. So that's what it looks like. It's like a mauve-y nude. I got this from Rimmel. This is the hashtag Insta Conceal and Contour. It comes with a highlight, a conceal, and a contour. I got the color light. It's on sale for $3. From Milani, I got the Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub in the color Sugar Sweet. This was $1.50. Never heard of it before. I've never seen anyone talk about it, so we'll see how I like it. Let's see what it smells like. It smells like a dessert of some sort. Ooh, it smells really good. From e.l.f. I got these matte blotting strips. These were $1. The last two things that I got were from Wet n Wild. These were on sale for $1.50. These are the Wet n Wild Color Icon lip gloss. This one right here is Virgo. This one is Pisces, and I just randomly picked out the ones that look the prettiest to me. And I just so happened to be a Pisces, so I thought that was kind of fitting. Like a really pretty like shimmery color, and this is what Virgo looks like. Okay, so that's it for my little haul video, my little clearance drugstore makeup haul. If you guys have tried any of these products, comment down below and let me know what your thoughts. I am super excited to try these dry shampoo sticks. I'll definitely let you guys know how I feel about them. Yeah, but that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.